Hello everyone. So in the just previous video, so we tried to go through that how do we install in slides. So let us see in this place. Yeah, so installation, setup, and introduction we have discussed, and what is the prerequisites we discussed, and we only discussed about that commands. Okay, so what we have to execute, what is the steps we have to do, but we have not done practically. So now the same steps like Python version and this virtual environment creation and upgrading the pip and installing the FastAPI, Uvicorn, everything we will do and practically. And so this is a hands-on session. Okay, so let's come here. So this is VS Code. I have in this VS Code I must be opening a folder. Okay, so I have inside my dev and inside GitHub I created a H learning episode 003 and I am opening this folder. So inside this folder you can create any file in general, but so I want to make it simple. So let me say app.py. Okay, so let's not worry anything. App.py is created. Just save it, and I am opening a terminal. So here I need to choose that menu as a terminal and new terminal. So it will open a new terminal here. Okay, I will yeah. Yeah, I opened the new terminal. Inside that, what I need to say, Python hyphen. So first I need to see what version of Python I have, and then I need to create an environment folder. So how do we do that? Python hyphen m venv is a keyword and then our command and then folder name. So I am giving a virtual environment name as env. Okay, so I am saying entering that. Yeah, see here there is a folder created with named env. You can see what is there inside. Yeah, let's keep that as it is. And first I need to source it. env slash bin slash activate. If your system is Mac or Linux, you can use this command as it is, or if your system is Windows, you'll have to execute that batch file. Okay, so let's run this part as my system is Mac. Yeah, you can see here env is activated. Earlier only base was there, on top of it env is activated. Pip list. So what is installed? Only pip is installed. Now what I need to do? Pip install hyphen upgrade pip, which I am trying to upgrade that whatever pip I am holding. Let's clear pip install FastAPI, and also in the same command I can install Uvicorn. Pip install Uvicorn. Both I am installing in the same step. Okay, let us see whether it is installed. It is installed inside this environment folder. Let us see what is there. So yeah, you have Uvicorn. Everything is installed inside this env folder. Okay, now we are ready. After installation, what we need to do? Upgraded and installed, everything is done, but you need to write the FastAPI code from FastAPI import f capital Fast API is capital. Okay, so and you need to save, otherwise that white color dot will come. So app, you are creating an app object. App is equal to FastAPI. I am creating an object of this particular thing, whatever I have imported. And the next is I need to create a function at the rate of app dot get. Get is a HTTP method, and def you can write any function. Read underscore, I'm just writing as read root. Okay, I'm returning a JSON or dictionary. Let us consider dictionary. Message colon in double quote hello happy learning and fun. Happy learning FastAPI. FastAPI and fun. Yeah, let us see. Yeah, that's it. Your code is ready, and if you save it, that's it. You got the code. And what you need to do, you need to run the command to Uvicorn. You have already installed Uvicorn inside this env folder, Uvicorn, and it's already activated. Uvicorn space main colon app hyphen reload. When you say this, it is saying error AGI could not import module main, because it is trying to find main as a module, but what module we have? App is a module. Either we should change this folder file name as main, or we should run with the app colon app like that. Okay, let us see whether it is working or not. Let's run in Chrome, new tab, slash, yeah, whether it is working or not. Let us see. It's not, looks like it's not running, not working, but let's go back. Okay, it's not, it seems it's not coming up. Okay, yeah, what we should do, either we should do this app colon app reload. Okay, so let's do this, and there's no errors, and it is happily running, and see whether it is working or not. Refresh. Yeah, it is working. This is what the message coming. Or you can also change this. So to stop, Control C, if you press, it will stop that. You can have this, rename it, rename main.py. Okay, you renamed it, right? So here again main colon app dot hyphen reload. That's it. It is again running. Again go to your Chrome and give your path and see. Okay, so whether it's running or not, to check that, again I added again a word. Yeah, it is reloaded, and let me go to the if I refresh, yeah, it is coming. Yes, that's it. Thank you team, happy learning, bye.